Today we're replacing the spark plugs on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma with the 2GR-FKS V6. I'll walk you through the passenger side first, then show you what's different on the driver's side. First, remove the air intake tubing. Loosen the clamps, disconnect the sensor connector, and set the intake tube aside so we have room to work. Now we can access the ignition coils on the passenger side. Disconnect the coil pack connectors by pressing the lock tabs and sliding them off. Remove the 10mm bolts holding each coil in place. Once the bolts are out, twist the coil slightly and pull it straight up to remove it from the spark plug tube. With the coils out, use a spark plug socket and extension to loosen and remove the old spark plugs. Break them loose carefully and spin each one of them out once they're free. Install the new spark plugs by threading them in by hand first to prevent cross-threading. Once seated, snug them down with a ratchet. Now torque the spark plugs to factory specification. Proper torque is critical to ensure a good seal and prevent damage to the threads. Reinstall the coil packs, making sure they fully seat onto the plugs. Install and tighten the 10mm bolts. Reconnect all coil pack connectors until they click into place. Reinstall the air intake tubing, reconnect the sensor, and tighten the clamp securely. Now moving to the driver's side. Before accessing the coils, remove the foam engine cover and disconnect the vacuum line that runs across the top. This step is easy to miss if you've never done this engine before. Once that's out of the way, disconnect the coil pack connectors and remove the 10mm bolts just like on the passenger side. Pull the coil packs out. Install the new spark plugs on the driver's side. I don't have footage of removing the old plugs here, but the process is the same as the passenger side. Thread the new plugs in by hand and torque them to specification. Once everything is back together, start the engine from inside the truck and let it idle. Listen for smooth operation and make sure there are no warning lights. After confirming proper operations, step back under the hood and double-check your work. Make sure all connectors are secure, vacuum lines are reattached, and tools are removed. That's spark plug replacement on a 2021 Tacoma with the 2GR-FKS V6 clean. Straightforward maintenance that keeps this engine running strong.